Hi guys, welcome back to the new episode of online drawing class. So today I'm going to show you the day 9, and the day 9 drawing will be a little bit different. So let's start. So first I'll show you how to draw this flower, and I will show you the color of these flowers. Okay, so first I'm doing the flower, so let's follow it. Okay. After doing the petals and stem, now I'll show you how to draw the leaf. So first you have to do this curves, then you will join with another curve. So this is the second leaf. Okay, so now I'll draw another flower. So first I'm doing the petals, then I'll do the stem, then leaves. Okay, so now it will be the last flower, and first I'm doing the stem. After doing the stem, I'll show you how to draw the petals. See, I'm doing the petals. It's very easy. So let's draw it. Okay, so guys, don't forget to share my videos, and don't forget to like and also subscribe my channel. After finish all these flowers, I'll draw a butterfly. So you have to draw the butterfly like this way. So guys, you saw how I did the flowers and the butterfly and the wings of the butterfly, and now I'm adding some designs inside the wing. So I have done with the sketch. Now I'll color it with the Dom's oil pastel. So let's start. So first I'm using this lemon yellow on the petal. So you can follow me, and you can do it like this way. So it will be very easy. So do it. Okay, for the next part you should take deep yellow, and I will apply the deep yellow on the bottom part of this petal. So I will apply the deep yellow on all the petals. After applying the deep yellow, now I will apply orange on the bottom part of the petals. Guys, if you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, so I'm done with the orange. Now I will apply yellow again, like lemon yellow again on that orange. Okay, so you have to do it like this. For this second flower, you need to take pink, and you have to do the pink like the bottom should be dark and the top part should be light. Okay, now the second color will be rose pink, and I will apply the rose pink on here. Third color should be violet on the bottom petals, meaning on the bottom of the petals, so it will be violet to make it little bit dark. Okay, for the third flower I will take light blue, and it will be same for the last flower, like how we did all this flower, it will be the same process to do this. And now we will apply ultramarine blue on this flower. Guys, you can take the red and you can apply the red on this flower like this way. It will look good if you apply the red on it. I forgot to apply it on before. Okay, so now I'll show you how to do the stem. For the stem, first you need to take lemon yellow, and you can see where I'm applying the lemon yellow. Okay, so now the next color is sap green. After applying the sap green, you have to take the lemon yellow again, and you have to apply the lemon yellow on this sap green part. Now on the leaf we will apply lemon yellow very softly, and then we will take light green for the leaf. Now we will take sap green for the leaf. Now we will take light green and dark green for all the leaves. So first I am applying the light green on the full part, then I will take dark green and I will apply it like this. Now you can take the black to make this to make this leaf and stem a little bit darker like this. Then you have to take the sap green again and you have to apply the sap green on the black. For these leaves you have to take Prussian blue and you have to apply it like same way as the black. Okay, so we are done with the flowers and now I will apply color on the butterfly. So for the butterfly you can take light blue, yellow, red, green, pink, and you can see where I'm applying those colors. So follow me, and after these colors I will apply black on the rest of the part, like on the you can see where I will apply the black. Follow me. Okay guys, so we are almost end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And this is the day 9 video, so I think you enjoyed this, and the next video will be for the day 10. So please support my channel. So thank you so much for watching.